Okay, here we are at the Superbee. As you can see, this is the original fender tag with the car. And you can see this is the build date of 426. You either had 329 in the first batch or 426. Coming over here, I lifted this out of the way. And what you can see is E440, that's 69440. Assembly date of the engine, 5/16, and there's your HP stamp. So what you've got is May 16th assembly of this HP 440 block in the car. I also showed in the photos that it's got the VIN on it, the numbers match, also the cash date lines up, and then also the assembly date of 5/16 on this car. This car was delivered in June out of Art Grindle Dodge in Orlando right here to Venice, Florida, to Mr. Hazeltine, the first owner. Second owner bought it in 1979, and that's why we're just showing you that between all of the dates, they all line up on the car. And there you have it. Thanks for looking.